Hello everyone, this is Paksha Fashion Workshop. Today I want to present you my new video course, How to make a classic women's shirt with long sleeves. A classic shirt is a must in the wardrobe of a modern woman. Classic shirts are very stylish. They're suitable both for business and casual styles. You can wear a shirt this way, or unbutton it at the top and roll up the sleeves. Add some accessories. Be creative. Such shirts look good both with the classic jackets and without them. With trousers, skirts. Having a classic shirt, you'll be able to create a lot of different outfits with it. In the video course, we show you the making of the shirt from start to finish. The shirt is made on the basis of the basic pattern. We use the basic pattern, made on the basis of my 10 measurement cutting system. There is a men's style yoke in the shirt. This is one of the features of a classic men's shirt, as well as the men's style collar with the collar stand. There is also a placket on the front. It's edged perfectly. We're going to show you how to do it. There are also plackets in the sleeves. They are buttoned. The technique is pretty complicated, but we're going to show it to you in detail. The sleeves end with the cuffs. Notice that the side seams are a bit shorter than the front and the back. There are a lot of details in the shirt. In the course, we show you each technique in detail. There's nothing we did off the camera. We show you a lot of useful techniques and details in the course. We'll show you how to make a collar, how to make a pattern for it, how to draw and cut it, how to insert it. We'll show you how to make a placket, how to make cuffs, and how to make a yoke. We'll show you how to hide the seams on the wrong side. We can let Ola go now. I want to put the shirt on the table to show you all the details both from the wrong and the right sides. Ola has taken the shirt off. I'm going to give you a close look at the details next. Have a close look at the collar, at the collar stand. Have a look at the yoke. Notice that the seams are hidden inside of it. There are no seams both on the wrong and the right sides. This is the wrong side of it. It's clearly seen that the seams are hidden inside of the yoke. Have a look at the armhole. It's edged with a French seam. There is no overlock or stitch in here. The side seams were also edged with the French seams. Notice that the yoke was top stitched from the right side. The width of the seam is 1 mm. The top stitching makes the seam stronger. It's up to you whether to top stitch the other details. Let's have a look at the cuffs. Before making them, you should make these plackets. The placket is perfect both from the wrong and from the right sides. If you learn to make such details, you'll be so happy with yourselves. In the course, Natalie shows you all the needed techniques in detail. If you do everything the way she shows you, you won't have any problems. The details which I'm especially proud of are these angles at the bottom of the placket. To make the angles look that good from the right side, we had to work with them very carefully and accurately from the wrong side. The detail is very complicated. In the course, we show you the technique very thoroughly. We show you the techniques which we use in my fashion house. I am happy to present you my new course on how to make a classic women's shirt. Buy the course and get down to sewing such amazing shirts. Good luck! We're Irina Paukšte, Oля, Natalie, and our team. Thank you.